Hello and welcome to this video where I will show you how to determine whether a point lies on a given line. So let's check it out. Now it says, does the point 1, 2 lie on these lines? Just check out this one on the left. All right, when we're given a pair of coordinates, straight away label them underneath X, Y. Okay, now we are going to check. All right. It's a little bit different, these ones. So we are checking if when we substitute in X is 1, do we churn out Y equals 2? Okay, might not make sense. Let's check it. So I'm going to substitute in sub X equals 1 into the equation above. So Y equals 1 plus 1, which equals 2. So can you see I've got X is 1, Y is 2. Does that match the coordinates? If I write that as a pair of coordinates, it's 1, 2, which is what we're given, which is great. So it does, yes, point lies on line. You're plugging in an X value and checking if you get out this Y value. All right, again, let's plug in the X value. Sub X equals 1 into this equation. So we're going to have Y equals 2 times 1, take 1, which is 2, take 1, which is 1. And if I write that, so as a pair of coordinates, X equals 1, Y equals 1, does that match this point? Are those the same? No. Point does not lie on line. We keep practicing, okay? What about this point? What about this question? Does the point 1, 2 lie on this line? Okay, let's do it. I'm just gonna label straight away underneath when we're given a pair of coordinates X, Y. Now I'm going to substitute in X and try and churn out a Y value of 2. So sub X equals 1 into the equation above. So Y equals negative. So there's actually a little invisible 1 there. So I'm going to write negative 1 times our X value, which is 1, plus 5. Negative 1 times 1 is negative 1. Just keep simplifying till you get out a single value. Negative 1 plus 5 is 4. So let's write this as a pair of coordinates. 1, 4. Is that the same as what we started with? No. So therefore, point does not lie on line. Okay. And last question, let's check this out. You might be given something multiple choice in the exam. So it says, which of the following points lies on the line Y equals 3, take 4x? So we're just going to go ahead and check each of these. Okay, check each point. All right, let's go. Y equals 3, take 4x. Now it's a little bit of a different question, I just realized. So let's check point A. Check A. All right. 1, 7. X, Y. Now we are going to say Y equals 3, take 4x, and we're going to substitute in sub the X value and hope to get out this Y value. Sub X equals 1. 3, take 4 times 1. Simplify. Take 4 times 1 is 4. So if we plugged in an X value of 1, do we get out a Y value of 7? No, we don't. Does not lie on the line. Okay, let's check B. Move this over a bit. Check this point. I'm just going to label it straight away X, Y. And I'll write my equation. and I'm going to sub x equals 3 and hope to get out y equals -4, that corresponding coordinate. So y equals 3, take 4 times 3. Simplify a bit. 4 times 3 is 12. 3, take 12. I'm pretty sure it's -9, but my mind's gone away. Yep, it is -9. So I subbed in this. Do I get out my corresponding y value of -4? No, I do not. I get out -9. So nope. B doesn't lie on the line. So let's check out C. Move that up a bit. Check C. Hopefully one of these points lies on the line. Surely. So y equals 3, take 4x. And we're going to substitute in immediately right underneath it, the coordinates, sub x equals 2. See if we can churn out a y value of -5. And if so, it lies on the line. So y equals 3, take 4 times 2. Simplify. 3 take 8. Quite sure it's -5. And look at this. We substituted x equals 2. We got out y equals -5. This is x is 2. We got out y is -5. So yes, point lies on line. And that's great. And so you would circle C in the exam. And just in case they wanted you to select, another point that lay on the line, let's double check. We've got time. Let's double check D doesn't lie on the line. And then we'll be confident that we are right. So we've got y equals 3, take 4x. And we're going to sub in our x value and hopefully not actually, because we've already selected an answer, churn out 3. So sub x equals -4. So y equals 3, take 4 times -4. Simplifying, well, -4 times -4 is +16. 3 plus 16 is 19. Just checking that. If we write that as a pair of coordinates, do we get out? No, we get -4, 19, and this is -4, 3. So no, that does not lie on the line y equals 3, take 4x. Now, I hope that made sense, and I will see you in the next video, which is sketch the graph by finding x and y intercepts.